Hi, in this video we are going to see about noun and its kinds. A noun is a word used as a name of a person, place or thing. பெயர்ச்சொல் என்பது ஒரு நபர், இடம் அல்லது பொருளை குறிப்பது. The kinds of noun are common noun, proper noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, collective noun, compound noun, countable noun and uncountable noun. Common noun is a non-specific name of a person, place or thing of the same class or kind. அதாவது ஒரே வகையை சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு நபருக்கும் அல்லது பொருளுக்கும் உள்ள பொதுவான பெயர். Example: boy, girl, city, day, computer. Usually common noun should not begin with capital letter. Proper noun is the name of some particular person, place or thing or idea. அதாவது பெயர்ச்சொல் என்பது ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட நபர், இடம் அல்லது பொருளின் பெயர். எக்ஸாம்பிள்: டேவிட், ராணி, சென்னை, மண்டே, சாம்சன். Proper noun always begin with a capital letter. For example, our class consists of 20 people. In this, people is a common noun. Ram has a big dog. Ram is a proper noun. Dog is a common noun. A concrete noun is something that we cannot see, touched, heard, smelled or tasted. For example, flower, house, egg, music. A abstract noun is something that cannot be perceived by the five senses of the human body. சுருக்க பெயர்ச்சொல் என்பது ஐம்புலன்களால் அறிய முடியாத ஒன்று. Example: friendship, love, freedom, honesty. Usually, abstract nouns are formed from adjective as kindness from kind, honesty from honest, politely from polite, and from a verb as growth from grow, obedience from obey, and from common noun as childhood from child, slavery from slave. Abstract noun is usually the name of a quality, action or state. அதாவது quality தரத்தை குறிப்பது. Goodness, hardness, kindness, honesty, wisdom, bravery. Action நடவடிக்கை குறிப்பது. Laughter, movement, judgment. State நிலைப்பாட்டை குறிப்பது. Childhood, youth, sleep. Let us see some example. The elephant has great strength. In this, elephant is common noun, strength is abstract noun. Birbal was famous for his wisdom. Birbal is proper noun, wisdom is abstract noun. A collective noun denotes a group or collection of people, things or of animals. Example: team, committee, furniture. அதாவது மனிதர்கள், பொருட்கள் அல்லது விலங்குகளின் கூட்டுப்பெயர். Let us see example: a bunch of grapes, a pride of lion, a herd of a band of musicians and a board of directors. Compound noun. Compound noun is a noun made up of two or more existing words. Example: snowball, grandmother, moonlight, mailbox. கூட்டு பெயர்ச்சொல் என்பது இரண்டு அல்லது மூன்று சொற்கள் சேர்ந்த பெயர்ச்சொல். Example: a policeman has the power to arrest a criminal. We need good rainfall to save the crops. We just got a new dining table for Christmas. Their house has its own swimming pool. இதில் policeman, rainfall, dining table, swimming pool என்பது compound noun. Countable noun are the name of object, people that can be counted. Example for countable nouns: your bag is full of fruits. Give me your books. You have to draw several paintings. Hari has 4 pens. In this bag, fruits, book, several paintings, 4 pens are countable nouns. Uncountable noun are those nouns that cannot be counted. Example: milk, oil, sugar, honesty, gold, etc. எண்ண முடியாத பெயர்ச்சொல் என்பது எண்ண முடியாத பெயர்களில். Example: your luggage looks heavy. I have got some money. Have you got any rice? I have got a little money are countable nouns. In this, luggage, money, rice are an example for uncountable noun.